Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we are unpacking something that is quietly but absolutely fundamentally shifting the ground right beneath our digital feet. We're exploring the Agentic Social Web, and specifically, how autonomous AI is driving this massive evolution of our digital communities. For over 2 decades, the architecture of our social networks has pretty much stayed the exact same. But looking at the source material, it's clear we are sitting at a historic inflection point. The way we connect online is undergoing a complete paradigm shift.
So, I have to ask you, is the era of the passive social network finally over? Think about your own daily digital experience for a second. For years now, we've basically operated under this model where we do all the work, we generate the content, and these static algorithms just curate it to maximize passive eyeball metrics. We mindlessly doom scroll and they measure. It's a completely reactive framework, honestly designed to just keep us trapped looking at screens. But as we navigate toward 2026, that old model is breaking down. We're rapidly transitioning into a highly interactive, proactive reality.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the Web 2 inflection point, moving past the broken paradigm. Now, what's really interesting here is the stark contrast between where we've been and where we're going. Think about the Web 2 paradigm. It's essentially a solitary user trapped inside static, centralized systems. It relies on reactive algorithms that just keep feeding us the same things, trapping us in these endless echo chambers. But then look at the Web 4 reality. Instead of being boxed in and force-fed content by some black box, we are entering a totally proactive era. We're talking about autonomous systems and goal-oriented participants seamlessly interacting with the network. It is a completely different ballgame.
Moving right along to Section 2, Rise of the AI Agent, the Catalyst for Change.
So what is the secret sauce here? The answer is the AI agent. Now, an AI agent is autonomous, goal-oriented software. It analyzes data, reasons through complex scenarios, executes multi-step tasks, and here's the kicker. It learns continuously without you having to constantly prompt it. To be crystal clear here, these are absolutely not the rigid reactive chatbots or basic recommendation filters we've grown so used to. Actually, scratch that. They're the exact opposite. When these agents are embedded into social architectures, they possess real contextual reasoning and literally morph into active, collaborative participants.
And just to highlight how incredibly rapidly this is arriving, 40%. According to Gartner, by the end of 2026, nearly 40% of enterprise applications are going to feature embedded AI agents. That's almost half. This isn't some distant science fiction, and it's not a decade away. This evolution is happening right under our noses, today.
Okay, let's dive into this practically with Section 3, AI Agents in Action, the new community dynamics. First up in these new dynamics is dynamic content orchestration. Traditional feeds, they just give us chronological lists of stuff. But AI agents, they shift the focus to contextual synthesis. Imagine an agent assigned specifically to you, acting as your own personal digital archivist. It safely parses massive cross-network discussions and summarizes those incredibly complex threads into bite-sized intelligence briefs. And for creators, specialized agents like NoimosAI, for example, evaluate historical performance against current global trends to autonomously generate brand-aligned content. They literally predict the impact before you even hit post.
Next, think about autonomous community moderation. Let's be honest, manual moderation is fundamentally unscalable. And those traditional keyword filters, they are notorious for totally misinterpreting human nuance. But finally, we have software that actually understands sarcasm. It gets cultural slang. Trust and safety operations are deploying agents that are capable of continuous semantic analysis. They can instantly identify a coordinated harassment campaign without accidentally stifling authentic, harmless expression just because of a flagged word.
Then we have contextual representatives. If you've ever managed high-volume direct messages or user comments, you know it absolutely strains any human team. Autonomous agents can step right in to act as conversational proxies for creators and organizations. They process complex inquiries, resolve customer support workflows, and distribute localized community updates in real time. Oh, and they do the whole shebang 24/7, maintaining a totally consistent brand voice and deep factual accuracy around the clock.
Which perfectly brings us to Section 4. Welcome to Web 4, the synthesized future.
Let's trace how this all builds across the evolutionary bridge of the internet. So we started in the Web 2 era, which was heavily burdened by data siloing and corporate data harvesting. We all know how that goes. Then came the Web 3 era, which introduced some truly amazing decentralized concepts, but honestly, it was slowed down a lot by initial speculative friction. Now, the collision of AI agents with these advanced internet architectures is causing a fundamental reset into Web 4. This synthesized future is characterized by an ecosystem that is human-centric, autonomous and highly cooperative.
So this new era really operates on three core principles. First up, it is human-centric. Your identity and your creativity are sovereign elements. Your AI agent exists to serve and protect your interactions, not to manipulate your attention for corporate harvesting. Second is interoperable autonomy. Your personal agent securely travels with you across decentralized protocols, basically acting as a proxy that protects your private data. And third, democratic governance. Tokenized frameworks now tie value directly to community utility, with AI agents securing decentralized voting and auditing community safety standards instantly.
All right, let's wrap this up with Section 5, Building the Future Today. Realize the vision with Web4.community. Because listen, this agentic future, it is not just some hypothetical concept we're dreaming up. It is being deployed right now by platforms like Web4.community. This acts as your gateway to social networks as a service, or SNAS for short. Built with an open-source ethos using cutting-edge developer frameworks like Google's Genkit and TypeScript, it completely flips the paradigm from passive networking to active community building. Whether you're launching a small local creative ecosystem or a massive global professional collective, founders finally have the keys to launch fully tailored, highly scalable networks.
And this brilliantly illustrates how the native AI agent support lives right inside the Community Studio dashboard for network operators. Step 1. You deploy community analyzers. These tirelessly track organic sentiment, synthesize emerging topics, and give you automated recommendations to actually foster engagement. Step 2. Utilize content planners. Think of these as co-pilot agents that draft, test, and optimize native community resources based on real-time activity trends. And Step 3, implement decentralized guardrails, which provide automated, compliant moderation structures that actually respect user privacy.
So we are at a critical crossroads. Will you leave your community trapped in legacy platforms, or will you build the future? The tools to take back control and align real innovation with human-centered trust are finally here. We are stepping into a remarkably intelligent ecosystem designed from the ground up for the next generation of the web. The only question is, what role will you choose to play in it? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer to unpack this incredible shift. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.